Good evening. My name is Don Williams, and I'm president and CEO of Princeton Healthcare. And Princeton Healthcare is a company that provides global solutions for hospitals and healthcare companies internationally. Our objective is to help hospitals secure funding, and we also provide solutions for hospitals as it relates to helping them improve their bottom line and acquire technologies to improve the services that they're providing to their clients. Now, our objective is to talk about investments in hospital projects and the importance of financing, securing financing in a challenging market. Our focus is going to be India, which is a market that's exploding and probably number 2 in terms of medical tourism. However, the same principles also apply to all markets and the needs for hospitals to secure financing to help them grow properly. Medical tourism, as far as we can see, is a growing area primarily because health insurers are looking for ways to reduce costs. And so countries such as the U.S., these health insurers are now looking for alternative ways to reduce the cost for their clients and their customer base. And medical tourism actually provides an outlet for that. And so what has happened in the world market, as far as we see, is that many of these hospitals are now competing with the U.S. in terms of the services, the technologies that they can provide, and the level of services. So things have changed dramatically in the last few years, and medical tourism actually addresses that. It's growing in leaps and bounds in certain markets, of course, faster than other markets, but it's growing phenomenally. I think initially there were some concerns about the market really taking off, but it is growing, and it's growing exponentially. And so I think there are really great areas of opportunity for folks who are participating in the medical tourism business. Absolutely. I think what we see is, our objective is to help hospitals grow and expand and be able to compete internationally. And so we provide a service that allows these institutions to do so. Most hospitals who are growing need capital, and capital is very difficult, especially in a challenging market. And so we help to create solutions for these institutions. And so that's how we see our participation in the medical tourism business, helping hospitals achieve their objectives. The conference is outstanding. It seems to continue to grow. The level of participation is outstanding. The quality of the speakers is outstanding. So they're doing a phenomenal job. The networking is great. This is one of the few opportunities where you can meet people from all over the world in a short period of time that have similar types of interests. And so I think it's a fantastic opportunity, one of the few like this in any of the healthcare meetings around the world. The Medical Tourism Association appears to be a leader in terms of the education needed to help hospitals and healthcare companies be thought leaders in this particular area. And so they're doing a good job in the conferences, providing good courses and presentations that allow people to be more familiar with some of the leading edge technologies, some of the leading edge concepts that are being presented in medical tourism, and again, to meet the needs of markets that are growing. Good question. I think it's very important for our particular industry to have an organization like MTA, because they've really become the point. We always like to say, from the days of playing basketball, you have to have a point guard, someone or quarterback, if you will, who's actually dishing out and really controlling how things move forward. And I think MTA has been able to do that successfully. They've created something that is relatively new, helped to drive the market going forward, and is playing a very valuable role as this whole industry grows. I think my firm, Princeton Healthcare, is here to help hospitals and healthcare companies to grow by providing global solutions that will allow them to expand, to meet their capital needs, and allow them to provide a high level of service to their respective client base.